I'll brown the onion. So I've got 2 red onions in there and oil. I usually use vegetable oil and put that in. Now we'll wait for these to go brown. Put the green chilies in now. Give it a mix. Still waiting for the brown onions to go brown. Just put the green chilies in so it releases the flavour. Right, this is the colour we want them. Now what we're going to do, give it a stir. And then we can turn the heat down. Boil the meat in the pressure cooker. Leave it in for 20 minutes. And in this I've added black pepper, salt and cloves. Half a teaspoon of each. Sorry, half a tablespoon of each. And 2 tablespoons level of salt. And that is for 1.5 kg of meat. Separate the meat from the soup and keep the soup to a side. Into the browned onions, add the meat, and now we need to brown the meat. So it should take a good sort of 4 to 5 minutes to do this. In the meantime, soak the rice. I usually use, so if it's 1 pot of rice, I use 1 pot of water. So exactly the same pot that you're using for the rice. So whatever you measure the rice in, so if it's 1 pot rice, 2 pots of water. Okay, I usually leave it to soak for about 5 minutes and then strain it off and clear all the water out of it. So when I leave it to soak, I leave it in hot water, so it makes it quicker and easier. Drain it and then rinse it under cold water. As you can see, the meat's starting to get brown. Just need to take it a bit more, a couple of minutes more, and then we'll move on to the next step. Meat is now brown. So what we're going to do to this now is I'm going to add half a tablespoon of garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika and garam masala, just for that extra bit of oomph. So half a tablespoon for those. Just stir those spices in so it mixes with all the meat. And just leave it just leave it a minute or so while the spices release into the meat. Oh, and you can start smelling the spice. So I've washed the rice now in cold water. I usually use a strainer so it saves all the mess or the rice sort of dropping into the sink while you're rinsing the rice. Just makes life a little bit easier. Now the soup that we saved earlier on, what we're going to do now is we're going to use it. So the same pot that we measured the rice in, we're now going to put the water in for the rice to cook. So we use the soup to start off with. So we put 1 pot of rice, so that was the big pot of rice that I put in. Because we need to put 2 in, so first of all we'll use the soup, and if we're still short of liquid we'll just use hot boiled water. So in this, add it in. And that's the second pot of water. Now what we're going to do, give it a good stir, and we're going to bring it to the boil. Cover it with the lid so it comes to boil quicker. As you can see now, the rice has come to the top. It's been boiling now. So what we're going to do now is turn the heat down. The water's near enough to rise now, so what we're going to do is put it in the oven. So put the lid on, put the in it. So after we take them out of the oven, so they've been in the oven now for 10 minutes, take them out. As you can see there. So while they are in the oven, sort of 5 minutes in, just sort of turn it once over. So the rice, Mummy used to say, the rice that's at the bottom, we need to bring it to the top, and then just turn the pot around to face the other side to the flame, if that makes sense. So basically you just swivel it full 360, so this side then goes to that side of the oven, and there we have it, guys. So for second generation weirdos like myself, it's brown rice, what Mum's used to make, and for the posh people it is a pilau. Hope you guys enjoy it. Any questions, leave some comments below if I can improve on something. Again, I am just a home cook, so just making YouTubes in my spare time because apparently I need a hobby. So welcome to the cooking channel, guys. And I think the next recipe we'll do is a raita. Okay guys, until next time, take care, love you guys, bye bye.